Hey guys, welcome to TechJ Gaming. In this video I am going to show you how to play Fortnite with any gamepad. Using this method, you can use any gamepad to play Fortnite, doesn't matter if it's Chinese or anything else. Now we all know X360 CE method doesn't work, but there's another method that most people don't know about. So we're going to talk about that in this video. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. First of all, you need an app called X Output. Now I'll put the link in description box below. From there you can download the app. You need to download this one right here and the link is in the description box. So I have already downloaded it and I have extracted it as well. So it is just right here. Now from the folder you have to go to this SCP driver folder and open it and install this SCP driver. Now I have already installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. Just click on install from here and that will be it. Now after that you have to exit it and just open this app. Now you have to connect your controller. Now make sure that you have installed the drivers of your controller, because if you didn't install the driver then it will not work. And after that you just have to open the app. I didn't connect my controller, so I'm going to connect it right now. Now after connecting it, it will just show up my controller. Now I have already installed the drivers and that varies on the controller that you are using, so I cannot do anything about that. Now from here you have this button, just click on it. And it will bring you to this page where you have to configure your controller, and I'll put my one right here and I'll keep it for 10 or 15 seconds so that you can just pause your video and copy it from here. Now you may need to change it a little bit, but it will be same for most of the people. After that you just have to close it and just click on the start button right here. And then you have to make sure that it is running on the background, so I'm just going to minimize it. And after that just open Fortnite. Now I have opened Fortnite here and you can see I can control almost everything with the gamepad. So that's there. Now if it still doesn't work, then you just have to go to settings, just right here. Sorry, I'm not here. Just go right here and just turn this thing off. Make sure that this is off, because if it's on then it will not work. And after that you can just enjoy your game with your gamepad. Now you can also change the layout and the configuration from here. Now my one is a Xbox One controller, Xbox One copy controller, so just that's there, but you can change it to your own preference. Now you can see I am playing the game with my controller. I am not using any keyboard or mouse, and you can just enjoy your game with your controller. So guys, this was it for today and I'll catch you up in the next video.